Hey guys, David Irwin here from David Irwin Design, and today we're going to get a little bit more designy. We're actually going to talk about color theory, specifically the Pantone color of the year. It's the 2019 color of the year is Living Coral. It's what they consider to be, after much esoteric trend reviewing, etc., to be the color that will be the most popular next year, 2019. Specifically, Pantone just released what they consider to be the 2019 color of the year. It's coral, which is like a pink, peachy color. In fact, I'll place it here. So Pantone released these, their color of the year. Last 2018, this year was ultraviolet, which is kind of like a purple. Obviously everybody knows what ultraviolet is, but like the actual color itself is sort of a purpley, not deep, but it's a purple. I was reading my my Pantone book at the same time. I figured, why not go in and see what the color of the year is. I'm checking, and they say that they've released the color of the year, peachy pink. Thought I'd make a video about it. If you do want to know a little bit more about this color, you can go to their website. They have a URL. I'll place it in the doobly-doo. But you come to the website, you'll see like very nice little sort of GIF with the color itself on there, and they'll give you a little description of what it is. What they said is color is an equalizing lens through which we experience our natural and digital realities. And this is particularly true for Living Coral. With consumers craving human interaction and social connection, the humanizing and heartening qualities displayed by this convivial, I'm not saying that right, convivial, Pantone Living Coral hits a responsive chord. That is from Latrice Eisman, the executive director of the Pantone Color Institute. So, you know, this basically the color is 16-15446 if you're looking for a color swatch or something. I'll give the different values that it can possibly have. The hex is FA7268. So FA7268, that's the hex value if you're going to be putting this into Illustrator or Photoshop or something like that. The RGB value is red 98, green 45, and blue 41. And the CMYK are cyan 0, magenta 54, yellow 58, and black 2. So they're the closest web safe color is FF6666. I've got a website that I can point this to. Just in general, the Colourhexa color. It's I'll put that in the description where I found these values. I just wanted to see what you guys think of this. Is this a trend? Do you use this in your design trends at all? I don't necessarily just look to the Pantone color of the year, but it's nice to do at least one or two things with it. It's a great way for you to find colors that you wouldn't normally work with. There's a whole designy meme going around about how purple gradients are a thing. They're quite popular this year, probably because of the ultraviolet, maybe. I don't know, but there's certainly a lot of purple gradients in app development and website development. There's a lot of them. It is the end of 2018 now, and you can tell that it has become a thing. Maybe they were right, maybe they were wrong. I'd love to know what you think about that. But a little bit about the Pantone color of the year. For about 20 years, the Pantone color of the year have influenced product development and purchasing decisions in multiple industries, including fashion, home furnishing, and industrial design, as well as product packaging and graphic design, which, you know, I've seen because of the purple gradient thing that's very popular this year. The color of the year selection process requires thoughtful consideration and trend analysis. To arrive at this selection each year, Pantone's color experts at the Pantone Color Institute comb the world looking for new colorful influences. I don't really know what they do. It doesn't really explain it. This is all just marketing hype, I guess, so Pantone can sell more swatches. maybe, but it's a different color. I wonder if this is something that maybe we'll throw in a color wheel and design something for the page. Certainly worth looking at. It's a different color that I wouldn't normally use, being as I'm designing some makeup artist portfolios now. It might be a color that I use in future. So yeah, let me know what you think about this. I'll link it in the description. Let me know what you think of the Pantone color of the year. Care about it, if it's worthwhile. And yeah, I'll put the hex down there so you can go and take a look at it as well. And the link in the description. That's really what today's video is about. It's nothing amazingly special. I just wanted to post something about this article that I read. So, yeah, let me know what you think. Cheers. Color is a, let me say,